Hello scifiners, welcome back to another episode of SCIFIGEN Tech. Today we are going to unbox Realme Buds, so without much further ado, let's get started. Realme at the launch of Realme U1 smartphone also introduced the Realme Buds, the company's first earphones. These have 11 audio drivers that promise 160% louder bass. The company says that it is the first wired earphones in India to use magnetic locking in this price range. Earphones features 11 drivers and impedance is rated at 32 ohms, rated power is 3 mW and sound pressure level is 106 dB. For starters, it's lightweight, very comfortable to wear and it stays in your ears. It also seems sturdily built and comes with a thick main cord that terminates in an eye-shaped plug. Here at the Y section of the Realme earbuds, cable is thin and is not braided. One thing here which is pretty disappointing is these buttons on inline remote are pretty impossible to press and are not of good quality. You can take calls by pressing the middle button and turn up or turn down volume by pressing plus minus buttons. When it comes to inline remote control, here microphone audio quality is really nice. I used it for voice calls and didn't face any issue. One important thing here to notice is that you can't change or fast forward tracks while listening to music. I checked it on various apps like JioSaavn, Wink and Google Music too. Now let's talk about its music quality. I've been using Realme Buds for a while and I wanna share my first impression of Realme Buds with you guys. The sound quality, especially at this price point, I mean 499 rupees only, Realme earbuds that sound surprisingly good for the money. These earphones serve up a very good bass for 499 Indian rupees, though bass isn't that much used but it's relatively tight. Travel isn't quite as smooth, there is a touch of harshness but it isn't offensive. I watched so many music videos on YouTube, listened my favorite tracks on JioSaavn app with different equalizer settings, including custom one. Definitely say this sound quality is quite satisfactory and decent for 499 Indian rupees. Even here I am using Realme Buds for recording this video so you can check now how good audio quality is. It has break-resistant Kevlar fiber coat that protects wiring from wear and tear, and the braided jacket feels premium and prevents the coat from tangling easily. Realme Buds is a lightweight, comfortable earphones that stays in your ears and sounds impressive for the price. So should you buy it or not? Definitely you can. At this price point, it won't disappoint you.